Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, it's been a while since this engine is here. My parts are coming, being delivered. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this out, see how the studs are, to see if I need to buy new ones, and I'm also going to clean a little bit. So first we are going to take all the studs and I'm gonna put them in here in the same order I'm taking them, so we can preserve the current position of each one of those. So let's see, let me put the tripod in here, and I think you can see now we have some teeth, and let's do it. They are just they are not very tight. Oops. In here, so I can just use my hands, and there you go. So RF, this is number 6, and this has an extra screw out there. Alright, there's one more here, which is the sensor. I think it's the knocking sensor, if I'm not wrong. This says F, L, and F, and an arrow pointing that way, and this one has the arrow, kind of weird arrow, pointing that way, but that's not. I'm going to show this one. See this little arrow under the F. So I'm going to keep them like this, and so far I'm just learning how the positions are set. This is 5. This is also 5. Okay, I think I got it. So this is 4 and has an arrow L and F and an arrow under the F. This is also 4. Boom. This is also 4. Oh, okay. There is an L and R. So left and right. This is left, 5. Probably this is right, 5. It's very, yep, intuitive. Oh man, this doesn't sound good. That was kind of hard. Looks good though. So look, this is the right. If you've never seen that, this is the left, this is the right. So I'm putting all the lefts on this side. I'm just following the same line the way it is. Right, and this video will going to help me. We're going to help me to set this back in there. And it says here L and R, so there is no way to get it wrong. I mean, there might be a way to get it wrong. I bet people do, but that apparently this is a crane camshaft, which has some specifications. So I hope I can take this out of there and figure it out what the specs are. Alright, so far so good. This one looks kinda weird. Look at that. I think I see some material in there, which is probably aluminum, which is no good. So I'm gonna see, maybe I need to get 4 of those with studs, not screws. So got them. Help me out here. So the material is not from this. So probably it's from the bottom. So if we get the stud, it goes a little deeper. It'll be alright. Alright, so let me get the camera so we can see up close how it looks and what we gotta do. There you go. Just so you know, I clean my right hand and I use my left hand to get the camera. So this is the camshaft. One of them is the intake. The other one is the exhaust. You see there is material here everywhere, so I need to clean that, scrape everything. So let me see where I'm gonna put this. Let me put you in here. Okay, very solid. So then I can get 2 hands. It doesn't tell me anything. Alright. So I need to take all of those out. Clean that. Clean this here. Can't mess with that too much. This is kind of gold. And oh, here it says something. So let's see. '04 LLA 43. Probably that means something that I have no idea what it is. And this one I know that has some stuff on the back. So if we go back in here, 431-2504 8YSE NI MIT 246 2SR8. I found 246 2SR8, but I didn't find the other number. Cool, so we have the parts here. Let me put this here for a minute. Done all of it. The oil that's in here is pretty clean. Let me take it there. The oil is pretty clean. So if we got this here, take that. Those here are special ones also, and I remember it's 1 millimeter thicker, and this is titanium, made out of titanium. Hecho in Mexico. Still have some oil in there, so I need to clean that. Yep, and I gotta look at the this guy's here down there. So alright, we took it apart. We will probably need another, well, I guess I could get this here, put right there. Right, I think I need space. I need to get rid of this, put this somewhere, and put those here. By the way, I spray paint this thing, so watch out for the video. It's before this video you're watching. There's a video showing me painting this guy. So let me see. It's not quite a mirror yet. So this is the result of the night. Took me probably good 2 hours to clean those here. I hope the light is good enough. And I also cleaned those guys. I took the rings out. I just left the rings here, but they're trash. This is nothing. This is just here. And yeah, I took everything from the head, out of the head. I took the water thingy, and also I took all the screws and parts that I need to reassemble and clean. Just one thing is this screw has some aluminum in there, which is this guy here, so I might need to buy bolts, studs on ARP, and see what they can do. Maybe they go a little deeper and they're going to screw better. So next step is I'm going to disassemble this, take the fuel rail out of there. The rail I think is good enough for the turbo. I might just paint it, maybe yellow, I don't know. And I gotta get new injectors, but I'll probably first take them out of there and then figure it out. The good thing is I have another engine, so I can see where everything is and how it's going to look like this here. Which color should I paint? If this is blue, this here blue won't make a good contrast, and if it's yellow, it'd be like a carnival or something. So I might just paint that with the gray, with that beige coat, like this, and then leave as it is. And yeah, and then paint some other parts. I also clean the block, clean inside and out, but I think I need to do the honing thingy, so I'm gonna make a little mess still. And I guess I'm ready to take the bottom part out and the crankshaft and all that stuff, and I'm buying all the gaskets anyway, so I'm setting that all up. So yeah, thanks for watching.